So this was all about our whiteboard presentation. For the video conferencing part, how we can use this device as a video conferencing unit. Also, what all key features are there. I would like to introduce our training specialist, Mr. Sunny. He will be guiding us on how this particular product can be used for other purposes like video conferencing, how we can use this product. So welcome Sunny, and Sunny will guide us.
Thank you, Prashant. For presentation and for sharing screen to the interactive board, we have two options. We can use our application, and also we can use a dongle also that comes with our interactive board. So right now I'm using my dongle. Right now you can see that I just have to press the finger. So here my presentation is on. My laptop screen is directly visible to this. So I can easily give the presentation from here. This is my presentation. Now I can use this pen and I can choose anything from here. I can use the highlighter pen. I want to write here. I use pen from the presentation. I can write here all the things I want to tell to my colleagues or the while presentation I do. I want to go to the next slide. I can do it to the next slide also from pressing here. And also this is a multi-sharing product. So we can use also mobile also. So I am using same application that I download from the App Store. Just a minute. I am sharing my mobile screen to interactive display. So here you can see that I can share both screens simultaneously. I want to show what I am doing on the mobile. Sometime I will need some application I have to demonstrate, and also along with the presentation we can do that. We can also use more laptops. We can share four screens simultaneously on this, and simultaneously both the things are work accordingly. There is no lag, there is nothing in there. This is there. So this is for the sharing part. Okay, so I can also control this screen of my laptop screen from this display also. So if I want to close this presentation, I can just click here. The presentation is closed. All the things I want to open this presentation, I just have to double click. This presentation is opening. So I can control all the things using this screen. I didn't have to touch my laptop or any other screen from here. So I want to open like this folder. Here this folder is opening. I want to open this image. So we can do that. Okay, now I'm going to play a video. So you can So we can also use the videos to this interactive display board. So also we have here a dot function. You can go to the back screen, you can go to the home screen. Here, if you want to the home screen, you can click it here and you can directly go to the home screen. You can click here for the multi-screen what are available right now. So here you can see that there are two screens, that is my screen is available. My laptop screen is available. Directly I could go to this place, and also we can go to the OPS function by clicking here. So this is its internal function where we do storage. For better understanding, Mr. Prashant will help us.
So OPS function, as I have already mentioned in the beginning, that the model comes with Android 9 as the default OPS. But if we are adding the detachable PC module, which I have mentioned that we have added in the back of this device, we can add another operating system. So now I have two operating systems, and you have seen my functions on Android already. Now I am showing you the functions on Windows. So this is my Windows profile. So you can see it's a Windows operating system completely, and we have our My Computer here. So this is just like a computer or a laptop. You can see all my functions are there. All my file folders are there. I have got storage also. Currently, I am having a storage of 43.7 GB in my. I can in my PC. I can do the storage of files, presentations, videos, whatever meetings I have done, whatever contents I want to store. That also can be stored in this particular device itself. So these are so easy to operate and so easy to understand. So it's just an additional operating system you get if you add the PC detachable module. Let's go back to the main screen. This is how it looks like. You can use it as your laptop or a PC to store, just like a storing function, or maybe if you want to use for some presentations of third-party applications which are just Windows compatible. If you want to open that, you can open it here in this. Right. So thank you very much. With this, I hope the basics of smart interactive whiteboard has been explained to you. And in coming videos, we will be highlighting more key features. So thank you very much for watching this video.